Welcome to Lesson 4. In this lesson, we will look more closely at the scientific method. Before we start, let's review.
The scientific process is a 5-step plan that all scientists follow. The first step is to ask a question, what do I wonder? The second step, develop a hypothesis. What do you think will happen? The third step, develop an experiment. What are you going to do? And number 4, document the results, what I found. And last but not least, conclusions. What did you learn?
If you're watching this video, you should have already asked your parents for permission to start the science fair or use the computer, started a lab notebook, looked on the website for science fair resources, and then you look through different ideas to find a topic of your research. You have narrowed down your subject field and decided exactly what you want to study. You have already researched your subject thoroughly. You may have also talked to experts in your field of study or taken a field trip. And you have already asked yourself the question, what do I wonder? And you have already developed a hypothesis, and you are keeping a great lab notebook. Now we are ready for the rest of the scientific process, the experiment.
For the purpose of the video, we will be looking at Christian's science fair project from last year. Christian has been studying about the heart. So Christian, what have you been learning about the heart?
I have learned that a person's heart rate can vary based off of what you put in your body and how you treat your body.
And where are you in the scientific process?
I wonder, how does smoking affect the heart rate? And my hypothesis is, I believe smoking will slow down your heart rate.
Awesome! Now we are all ready to design the experiment. Matthew, what should we do next?
I guess we are ready to design our experiment. In this part of the scientific process, we need to answer the question, how does smoking affect the heart rate? We need to gather data or information that supports or contradicts the hypothesis. Remember, a good experiment shows results that can be measured or repeated. The first step is to collect materials you will need for your experiment. Then, get your procedure in place.
The materials I need for this experiment will be a smoking survey and a group of smokers. Don't worry, all the smokers that will participate in this experiment are longtime smokers, and I was nowhere near where they were smoking. I knew smoking was bad for you, but I didn't know it was this bad until I actually conducted this experiment. Smoking shortens your life expectancy, leaves you at risk for